Okay, so I chose Paddle, Perch, Climb, Bird Feet Are Neat by Lori Ellen Angus. And the book specifically talks about like 7 different types of birds, species of birds, and how like their feet help them survive and get food. And it also discusses like some of the different predators that each bird has. And it's a really good book to go along with like the adaptation and stuff. Um, it also shows like their habitats in the pictures, and the kids kind of have like a moment to guess what type of bird it is. So it's kind of like it can also be like a fun little game because there's like zoomed in pictures of the bird's feet, and then they have to guess what kind of bird it is. It includes birds with strong legs and feet running across the desert to snag a lizard, bird with flexible toes perching on a branch to pick berries, and birds with long legs and toes wading through the river to catch fish. And I would, let's see, I have the teaser here.
If you were a hungry bird, how could you use your feet to eat? If you had webbing between your toes, you could... Whose babies do you think these are? Let's find out. Paddle like a swan to dabble for pond plants. Do you see a predator animal? What animal is it? Watch out for the fox.
So you can see there where it has like the zoomed in pictures and stuff, and the different types of, animals. It talks about the predators as well. And then I would use this in like the beginning of our adaptation lesson as kind of like an introduction, and we would like go through the book and then discuss like the importance of the different feet compared to like the different type of habitat, what they're eating, what they have to like do to get the food. I would ask questions along the lines of like, would a swan survive well in the desert, and why or why not? And then also there's a section with an owl.
If you had powerful feet with sharp talons, who's got powerful feet with sharp talons? You could grasp like an owl to grab a mouse. Keep your owlets safe. If you were a hungry bird, there are many ways to use your feet to eat.
And so with the owl, there was like no predator in the background of the pictures. So then I could bring up the question of like, does the owl have any natural predators? Why or why not? And discuss why they really don't, because their claws and stuff are so strong, and just in the areas that they live. So and then also I think it's pretty cool because in the back of the book it actually like has the pictures of their like feet, and it's more of an in-depth discussion of the bird's feet and how they work, and we could use that also as part of my lesson and part of our discussion to bring up evidence, and we could look at other pictures throughout the lesson. So